one ton. Label grey. हर एंगल से शेन प्रिसिजन का हुआ power.
Can I actually fit my entire family in this beast of an SUV for a road trip? The 2026 BMW XM label is here, and it's about to challenge everything we thought we knew about luxury performance SUVs. This thing is a powerhouse, blending BMW's signature luxury with a performance that'll leave you speechless. The XM aims to shake up the luxury performance SUV segment, where typically, you have to choose between power and practicality. BMW's goal with the XM is ambitious, to combine extreme power with the luxury and technology that BMW is known for. It's not just about slapping a big engine into an SUV, it's about creating a vehicle that delivers on both fronts without compromise. The challenge is real, but BMW seems confident that they've cracked the code. Under the hood, the XM boasts a formidable powertrain, a hybrid V8 engine that pumps out an astonishing amount of horsepower. We're talking about a vehicle that can go from 0 to 60 in mere seconds, making it one of the quickest SUVs on the market. But it's not just about raw power, the XM also features cutting-edge design elements, both inside and out. The exterior is sleek and aggressive, with lines that scream performance. Inside, it's all about luxury, with premium materials and tech features that set a new standard. One of the most impressive aspects of the XM is its tech. BMW's latest infotainment system is on board, offering seamless connectivity and a user interface that's both intuitive and visually stunning. Plus, with advanced driver assistance features, the XM isn't just about getting from point A to point B quickly, it's also about doing it safely and with a level of sophistication that's hard to match. Imagine taking this beast out on the highway, feeling the rush as it accelerates effortlessly. The XM's performance isn't just about numbers on paper, it's an experience. With its adaptive suspension and precise handling, this SUV can tackle both the daily commute and the twisties with aplomb. And when you do get a chance to unleash it, the sound of that hybrid V8 growling to life is something else. As we look at the XM, it's clear that BMW has pulled off something remarkable. It's a vehicle that not only competes with other luxury performance SUVs but sets a new benchmark. With its blend of power, luxury, and tech, the 2026 BMW XM label is in a league of its own. So, what's the verdict on the 2026 BMW XM label? It's a top-tier luxury performance SUV that checks all the boxes. Exceptional performance, coupled with luxury and cutting-edge technology, makes it a compelling choice for anyone looking for the ultimate driving experience. If you're as excited about the new XM as I am, share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about its design, performance, or tech features? Let us know. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more exclusive car content.